Watch and learn how to put a transfer on a window. I'm here to show you today how to put a transfer on a window that we're going to paint with DIY paint today. So we're going to be using old school, and I have this really big old window, and I have already got it prepared. First of all, I cleaned it with Awesome. It was very dirty. It was sitting outside. And then I cleaned it with Windex, and then I cleaned the glass one final time with just plain alcohol, because I don't want anything on the glass. I may wipe it off one more time. I've already paper taped it, and you can see I've actually painted one side. And I did that so I can put a transfer on that side too. So we're going to start with painting it. I'm just going to be using an artist brush because I want to get it all in this. It's kind of a rough surface, so I want to get it all in that surface. Okay. So this is the sunflowers. I don't know if you've used it or not. I have to be careful because the edges are wet. But this is the sunflowers. So we're going to put sunflowers. And I know sunflowers are more a fall thing, but I'm in the mood for flowers. So we're going to start. And we need a stem. So let's see. Here's a stem. So I'm going to start with the stem. Now when you pull it off, if you do what I just did right there and you just have a little part that didn't come off, just lay it back down. And it'll come right off. There you go. Okay, then you need to press it. And then you need to take a soft cloth, which is my t-shirt, and gently rub it. Now, when you put one on the window, I don't put any sealer on it. I could paint over that with some Big Top, but it's going to show, and I don't want it to show on my paper, on my glass. So if I sell this, I will include with it instructions for people to not, I'm getting into the paint, to not, have to get that off, to not use any chemical cleaner on it. You don't want to use any chemical cleaner. All you want to do is use a soft, dry cloth to clean it. And then continue to add your transfers, forming the beautiful patterns that you like to use. I want to put some lavender going at this. So I'm going to cut one of these lavenders. When adding transfers to the wooden part of the frame, be sure to seal it first with Big Top. and it's okay to overlap transfers. Let that come right up here, like that. These have like a sticky surface on the back. Continue to add flowers, stems, leaves, until you have a full, complete picture. I even added some butterflies from the entomology transfer. Once I had all my sunflowers added, then I cut some lavender pieces from the same Painterly Florals transfer and applied them to the middle of my frame. The last step, once I put the lavender on the sides, was to give the wood part another coat of Big Top. This will seal the wood and protect the transfers. You can create a window like this too. All the materials are listed below. And don't forget to subscribe to Goodson Vintage Treasures for more YouTube videos.